The very eloquent and fearless Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Alam nyo, we in our Philippine democracy, we need talaga contrary opinions. And dito sa Pandesal Forum, sir, we are not partisan, but we are very partisan for democracy. And we are very happy for critical views like yours, na very eloquent. Once again, thank you to Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Hopefully, this will not be the last. You should come back again and update us on your political journey and your crusade against corruption and bad government. Kami naman dito, sir, sa Kamuning Bakery Cafe, we have a simple gift to every guest. Whether you are the president or movie star or foreign ambassador, we have pandesal gift for you para matuwa yung mga panadero namin na dinefensa nyo kanina kasi taxpayer sila. Maliit lang ang tax nila pero they are contributing to the economic development. Once again, thank you to Attorney Vic Rodriguez for talking here, speaking here at Pandesal Forum and elevating the quality of discourse on national issues. Hopefully you will come back and hopefully you will run and make the Philippine Senate more exciting. Sir, aside from that, we'd like to invite all our media friends. May lunch tayo today, but we would like to remind you, October 16 every year dito sa 85-year-old Kamuning Bakery Cafe na kapitbahay ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Namimigay kami ng libreng tinapay every year, World Pandesal Day, October 16. Umaga hanggang hapon, libre pandesal, libre ang cheese, libre ang ham, libre ang fruit jam, juices, and vitamins pa, libre for 70,000 people. Kaya namin. Every year yan. So you are all welcome dito. Mag-picture taking tayo with Attorney Vic para matuwa yung mga panadero sa buong Pilipinas.